registrars and the staff of the registry for their assistance throughout my stay here. Before parting, I would now like to say a few more words. About 6.5 years ago, on 13/1/2020 to be more precise, I had sworn an oath about 15 feet from here to discharge my functions as a judge of this High Court without fear, favor or ill will, and to uphold the Constitution. I have endeavored to fulfill that oath to the best of my abilities. It is now for you to judge whether I have been true to that promise. These 6.5 years on the bench have not only been satisfying but were also a period of great education for me. As an advocate, due to the nature of my practice, I had largely represented clients with resources and for whom the courts were only one more avenue for protecting their rights and interests. It is only as a judge that I had an opportunity to deal with cases of people for whom this court was the first and last resort. It is in these cases that I began to understand the opportunity given to me to help such people. It is here that I could see how the disenfranchised struggle for survival and how vulnerable they are. For a large number of people who knock the doors of this court in their struggle to protect their rights of property or personal liberty, we are the last resort. It is my belief that when people who have no other avenue to redress their grievances or protect their rights come to this court, it is our sworn duty to stand and act in defense of such people. Our stature and credibility as judges of this court will not be judged by the paraphernalia surrounding us or the apparent show of deference and respect accorded to us judges. We will be judged on whether we have answered the call of these people each and every time. We, the judges, have been invested with enormous power for this purpose. We are not here to work along with or cooperate with the government. We are here to ensure that the rule of law is upheld and the state does not violate the rights of the citizen. I have always acted on this principle and do not regret even for one moment for acting on this basis. To go on to another issue, all of us were part of the separation of the combined High Court. I think it is time we get over it and move on. The separation has occurred 7 years ago. Let us wish the High Court of Telangana the best and look to the future. The bar is maturing. Our vacancy level in the bench is far lower than other high courts. We have taken huge steps in improving our infrastructure across the state. We are getting a new High Court building shortly. For the last 2 years, this court has achieved more than 100% disposal. That is, we have disposed of more cases than the cases filed for the last 2 years. In an independent survey conducted last year by the leading NGOs in the legal field, Andhra Pradesh has been placed second in the country on the performance of courts, police and jail administration. The High Court of Andhra Pradesh was placed 5th out of the 25 high courts of the country. We need to further improve ourselves to become the best high court in the entire country. Let us ensure that the coming generations step into a high court which has the wherewithal to stand with the best high courts in the country. Before I conclude, I would also remember that when I first got elevated, a friend gave me a banner inscribed with the words of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, which I had hung behind my chair in my chamber. I have always tried as a human being to see if I could follow this. And I will quote the words of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. We are visitors on this planet. We are here for 90 or 100 years at the very most. During the period, we must try to do something good, something useful with our lives. If you contribute to other people's happiness, you will find the true goal, the true meaning of life. I would now end with saying, I now leave this court with a sense of gratitude for being given this opportunity to contribute and with the firm hope and belief that this court will always answer each and every time it is called upon to stand up for the people of this country. Thank you and Jai Hind.
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I declare that the proceedings are concluded.